There are so many videos on chicken dum biryani. Then again, why chicken dum biryani? Biryani is not a religion, it's an emotion. This chicken dum biryani has a unique taste. You should try my father's recipe, which was not revealed till today in the past 20 years. We cooked for 15 to 20 people. Let us start cooking. First, wash 3 kg of basmati rice and soak it. Take 4 large onions and chop them finely. Fry them on medium flame until they turn to brown color. It takes 3 to 4 batches. Once done, keep them aside. Prepare all masala and wash 2.5 kgs of chicken. Add 2 sticks of cinnamon, add jeera or cumin seeds, cardamom and cloves as per your spiciness. Add 1 bowl of red chili powder and 5 bay leaves. Add 4 tablespoons of garlic and ginger paste. Add 1 cup of Kashmiri red chili powder. Add nutmeg, 1 tablespoon of turmeric powder and 2 tablespoons of salt. Now mix well. Tablespoon of saffron and 4 big tablespoons of onion fried oil, 3 lemons juice and mix well. Add 1 big bowl of fried onions and mix well. Then add 1 liter of curd and mix well. Add 1 cup of each chopped mint and coriander leaves. Mix well. 2 tablespoons of kasuri methi and mix well. Add biryani masala. We usually prepare our own biryani masala at home. Close with the lid and keep it aside for at least 30 minutes. Now let's prepare rice for dum. Take a big utensil with water. To cook rice, add 2 tablespoons of ginger and garlic paste. Add 6 cardamoms, 11 cloves and 1 cinnamon stick to it. Add 4 bay leaves and 6 tablespoons of salt. Add star and Marathi bud masala items to the water. Add 2 big tablespoons of oil. Add 1 cup of mint and coriander leaves to it. How we cook in large quantities. Close the lid and cook until it boils. Add the juice of a lemon. Meanwhile, get ready with fried onions, 1 cup of milk mixed with saffron to get a light green color and 3 tablespoons of. Prepare a wet cloth on top of the utensil that has marinated chicken. Boils, add soaked basmati rice to it. While the rice is cooking, add 1 glass of rice starch to the marinated chicken. Mix slowly without disturbing the pieces. And it should be cooked up to 80%. Spread the cooked rice on top of the marinated chicken in layers as shown in the video. In between, spread fried onions and spread rest of the rice in layers. And ghee on top of the rice. For dum, never cook directly on the stove. Use an iron pan and place the utensil on top of it. Put some extra weight to close the lid very tightly. Cook for 10 minutes on high flame. Then turn the stove to medium. After 20 to 25 minutes, when the rice blossoms like a flower, then the biryani is ready to serve. share and subscribe for more old traditional and new recipes.